Hey guys, I hope everybody is doing well. I wanted to come to you today showing you how I made this mirror for my daughter's room. So to jump right in, these flowers and these beads I actually got from Walmart, as well as the mirror. Um, these letters I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just painted them a solid gold color. Um, so yeah, what I'm gonna start by showing you is I instead of just like putting something on the mirror and then immediately gluing it, I just laid everything out. You'll see in a second, it takes me quite a while to do like the flowers and the beads and stuff, but it was just because I was just being like extra picky and, a little bit nervous because I didn't want to like glue something down too early and then like not like the end result. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up a little bit more, and you can just kind of see how I am doing it. And some of the flowers, I took the stems off, but then I also had to cut an extra piece because it was just hard getting an idea of how it would look because of the stem piece that was still left on the flower like made them tilt over. So that's what I'm doing right here, is just cutting the excess piece off. Um but yeah, like I said, I got most everything from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. You'll also need a hot glue gun as well. But I was doing this for my daughter's room. For her birthday, we kind of gave her like a princess themed room. Just something like this, super girly, but she can also like grow into or grow up with, whatever. And then we can always like change it, add stuff to it or whatever as time goes on. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up, and I will come back a little later. Okay, so now I'm about to glue the letters down. And from trial and error, I figured out the best way to do this is to mark. You can either mark it on the letter or on the mirror. Just use something that it's like dark enough for you to see, but if it does stay on, like nobody will really notice that it's there. But I ended up marking on the letters like where the mirror is. I hope that makes sense. But I marked it there so that on the back of the letter, that's where I would focus the glue on instead of just kind of like guessing. Because on some pieces I noticed that the glue had kind of like oozed off the back of it, and depending on like what kind of surface you're using or how much glue you're going to use, it could get on the table. It could even like burn you. So just keep that in mind and take your time when doing this, cuz I don't know. It's kind of hard, especially, I mean, this was only 3 letters, but it gets kind of nerve-wracking to make sure everything's done evenly. And then also is I had did a test. I didn't show it, but just to make sure that the beads wouldn't melt when I put hot glue on them, cuz I mean, they're not really like made for stuff like that, especially like the really small ones. I would just take one that you're probably not going to use and like glue it to like a piece of a box or something that you don't need, also just to make sure that the bead isn't going to melt like once you do put the hot glue on there. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue on gluing the rest of the flowers and the beads to the mirror. So yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this. I did this for my 4-year-old daughter for her room, but you could also do this for like a teenage daughter, even like a beauty room, or like set it up as a makeup mirror and do it sideways, like turn it the other way and decorate it that way. There's so many things that you can do. But I really enjoyed this. I hope you all did too. Here are some final pictures of it, like close-up pictures of it. But please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.